to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're going to write down 2 steps. Step number 1, multiply denominator by whole number. That's step 1. Multiply denominator by whole number. So again, a mixed number is made up of a number that has a whole number and a fraction part. So I'm starting at the denominator. I'm going to multiply it by the whole number. Step 2, add numerator to that product. So a second ago in step 1, I multiplied the denominator by the whole number. It gives me a product. Then I add that product to the numerator. Okay, this is what I like to call backwards C. I'm going to show you. So looking over to the right side where it says change to an improper fraction, I'm going to start at the denominator, and I'm going to write a C, but I'm going to do it backwards. I start at the bottom and I loop around. See what I mean? It tells you where to start. So if step 1 says multiply the denominator times the whole number, this is the order I go in. 3 times 4, and then I add it to the top. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. That's my new numerator. 3 times 4, and then plus 2. This is how I get my numerator, okay? What happens to my denominator? Will it change or will it just stay 3? It stays 3. Okay, let's do the one below. So backwards C. I start at the bottom and I loop around. So 7 times 8 is 56, plus 2 is 58. The bottom number stays the same. Okay, you and your group, or just try the next 2 on your own and then check with your table mates. All right, peach table at the back. What did y'all get for 6 3/5? What is my improper fraction? 33/5. Very good. And purple table. What is the improper fraction that is equal to... improper fraction that's equal to 3 2/9. Purple table. Ugh, sorry, you are purple. Say it again. 29/9. Very good. Okay, any questions on that? Is that easy enough? Okay, now, how do I change an improper fraction to a mixed number? This takes a little bit more steps. 3, in fact. Step 1 is what I like to say, box the top. We box the top, okay? So what does that look like? It looks like this. What does that look like to you? Divide. It looks like a divide, okay? Step 2, after I box the top, I divide. And then step 3, the remainder is new numerator. So what does this look like? We're going to do a couple of examples together, and then you and your group can do some on your own. So looking to the right, 21/4. I box the top, so I know what I'm dividing. So it shows me that I'm dividing 21 by 4. And I actually work it out. So I'm going to do 4 into 21, which is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And I have 1 left over. So I got to piece all of this together. Okay. My whole number is my answer up here, my whole number. This is going to be my whole number and my mixed number. because 4 goes into 21 5 whole times. My remainder becomes my new numerator. And what do you think the denominator will be?
4.
It stays 4. To double check it and make sure I did it right, use the backwards C method. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So I know I did it right. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do the one underneath, 37 fifths. Box the top so I know what I'm dividing. I have 37 divided by 5. 5 goes into 37 how many whole times? 7, which is 35 when you multiply, and I have 2 left over. So piecing it together again, 7 is my whole number. The remainder becomes my new numerator, and the denominator is still 5. So this is my final answer. Backward C to check it. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is 37. 5 is still on the bottom. Okay, you and your table try the next 2, and then check it with each other whenever you have them solved.
So yes.
All right, let's go ahead and check what you guys just did. 57 when you divide it should equal what as my mixed number? 7 1/7, and then 28 ninths is 3 1/9. Perfect.